How to add sale timer in Shopify. Head over to Shopify admin panel and then go to the app store. You can find the app link in the description below. You can click the app link and install the app in your Shopify store. Click on install app. Click on install. After installing the app, click on create a new timer. Here you can see different options: product page, top bottom bar, landing page, cart page, email timer. I want to go with product page. Select this timer type. Here you can customize the name. Here you can customize the title. Hurry up. You can add another word as well. You can customize it according to your requirements. You can add the subheading as well. You can edit it. You can edit time labels as well. You can customize timer type as well. Here you can explore other options as well. After that, click on design. You can select the layout as well. From here you can change the style as well. As you can see, different styles. After that, you can change the background color as well. You can change the border color as well. You can add image background as well. You can explore other options as well. After that, click on placement. Now you can select for all products. For specific products, here you can select specific product as well. You can select the product for which you want the timer as well. You can all products in specific collection as well. You can select collection from here. You can add custom position as well. After finalizing your requirements, click on save and then click on publish. After that, go to online store. Here you can see edit theme. Click it here. Here you can see app embed. Make sure it is enabled. As you can see, the sale timer has now appeared in your Shopify product page. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your query to my email or send me a message to my LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.